So this one as well. And for the current formula, if we have a pre-specified this one different from the previous one. In fact, this is the actually the field trial. Field trial, of course, we have the possible terms after trial. So this one, it should be the exact one, but the previous one is the simplified one. So the previous one, we do not have the formula like this. And here, we use it to serve as a Pascal's in free space. Well, again, we still have the Pascal's. And Pascal's d square, no, right now we have d raised power to alpha. And alpha actually is the propagation constant. And the value for alpha, if we do not consider free space, normally we should have 3 or 4 for urban area. Right? I don't know, metropolitan area, we will have the severe effects coming from Pascal. So of course we should have the exponent raising from 2, for example, to the current one, 3 or 4 for the typical urban area. Alright, that's it. So, let me start here simply and allow you to have a short discussion and thinking about currently what we reach and how we have the possible conclusions. Alright, so maybe let me check the seats again. And maybe for group 4, it's okay, just get closer. Alright, so no problem, nothing change. And for group 1, yeah, you can get closer to have a possible discussion. And for Jen, your name Jen? Okay. Is it okay? Okay. And feel free to have the discussion for the current items. And you can get those. So I now have 3 minutes to discuss, and later if you have no question, then I can move on to the next one. Okay, so the current activity in the past has simply called turn and talk. And turn and talk actually allow you to have the chance to have further discussion with your teammates. And then you can refresh something and so that you won't fall asleep, right? So it's called a turn and talk, but that's master. I try to have a questionnaire. Do you think turn and talk efficient? They don't have any idea. And so that this time I didn't know the meaning, what that means, turn and talk. Alright, so turn and talk maybe, oh okay, don't waste time. Continue. If I continue, perhaps you fall asleep. Alright, so even we can pause, allow you to have a chance to think. A chance to think. It's the pedagogy. Alright, so even pause and then you have something to think. But let me check. Up to now, any questions? So if no,